When looking for kitchen renovation contractors, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes that can lead to costly and stressful experiences. Here are some key mistakes to watch out for and how to avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes is not checking for proper licensing and insurance. So, always ask for proof of licensing and insurance before hiring a contractor. This ensures that they are qualified and you are protected in case of any accidents or damages during the renovation. Another common mistake is not getting multiple quotes. To avoid this, get at least 3 quotes from different contractors. This allows you to compare prices and services, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Not asking for references can lead to hiring a contractor with a poor track record. Always ask for references and follow up with past clients to learn about their experience. This will give you a better understanding of the contractor's reliability and quality of work. Ignoring the contract details is a mistake that can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. Read the contract thoroughly and clarify any doubts before signing. Ensure all project aspects, including timelines, costs, and responsibilities, are clearly outlined. Choosing a contractor based solely on price can be tempting, but it's not always the best decision. Consider the contractor's experience, reputation, quality of work, and price. This will help you make a more informed decision and ensure a successful renovation. Here are the most asked questions about Boston kitchen renovation contractors. FAQ number 1. Do you provide a free consultation? Yes, we offer a free consultation to discuss your renovation needs. FAQ number 2. Do you offer a warranty on your work? Yes, we provide a warranty on our workmanship for a specified period. FAQ number 3. Can I see examples of your past projects? Yes, we can provide you with a portfolio of our past projects for reference. FAQ number 4. Will you handle the necessary permits? Yes, we will take care of obtaining the required permits for your renovation. FAQ number 5. How long will the renovation take? The timeline for the renovation will depend on the scope of work and the project's complexity. Avoiding these common mistakes and knowing the answers to frequently asked questions can help you have a smooth and successful kitchen renovation. How do I get started with Boston Kitchen Renovation Contractors? Start your renovation journey by speaking to a kitchen renovation expert today. Call us at 857-437-5988 to schedule your consultation. Your dream kitchen is just a call away.